So here's 6 ways anybody, and I mean anybody, there's no exceptions, anybody, 6 ways anybody can make 6 figures and up online. There's no requirements, no degrees, no licenses, no prior skills required, nothing like that. Each and every one of these anybody can do and make 6 figures and up doing them. Number 1 is to start an educational YouTube channel, and I want to emphasize educational. I know a lot of people, want to do YouTube, but it's like they try and vlog and you quickly realize way too boring, nothing there to vlog about, something along those lines, right? Like I think most people have tried to do a vlog and uploaded it to YouTube and like, this isn't gonna work. An educational YouTube channel is completely different than a vlog or a lifestyle channel or something like that. Make it educational, and then there's already value there for people. The problem with trying to do a vlog or just go straight lifestyle is like there's not really value sitting there inherently. But I think that if it's a topic that you're interested in and that you have a knowledge base and you can teach about, then you can just continually draw on your knowledge base that's already there. And as you can also, as you improve and grow your knowledge base, there's more for you to talk about. But if you find something that you're passionate about that you can teach about, then there's really like a huge database of content already sitting there. You've just got to record it and upload it. And then the monetary side of it is you can do some of this stuff with other channels, but for example, just YouTube ad revenue. Typically an educational channel is going to make a lot more money from YouTube is going to have a much higher CPM, and go watch my videos that explain what CPM is, and I've got plenty of videos on how to grow and monetize a YouTube channel. I show you how much I make through my YouTube ad revenue, stuff like that. Go check that out. And I've got videos talking specifically about what I make through my educational YouTube channel as far as YouTube ad revenue and CPM goes. But the CPM is kind of like how much you earn for every 1,000 views that you get. So educational channels typically carry a much higher CPM, 10, 20 bucks, something like that. I've had my CPM for one of my videos that does really well has been up to $300. I think on average it's like $200 or $250 CPM. So it varies all over the place. Like gaming channels will be much lower, like $1 to $3 to $5, $6 CPM, something like that. So, but educational channels typically carry a higher CPM. So YouTube ad revenue wise, there's that. But then you can also do a lot of other things to make money. You can do brand deals. You could also sell your own courses, digital products. You could also sell your own physical products. And then you could also do affiliate marketing, which I'll talk about in a little bit. That's gonna be another one that we're gonna jump into. All right, let's jump into number 2 here, which is to sell on Amazon. Number 2 and number 3 are both sell on Amazon, but they're 2 different ways to go about selling on Amazon. So the first way I'm gonna mention to sell on Amazon is to just do arbitrage or flipping products. So go to stores or buy online and just buy products that you can buy for cheap and list for a higher price, and you keep the profit margin. So find a product for $10 that you can list for $50 on Amazon. Amazon takes a little fee. You make 30, 40 bucks, something like that. And this is completely legal. There's no issues with it at all. There's people doing this all of the time, and there's people making really good money doing this, even 7 figures doing this. So it's definitely a way you can make some real coin. So the second way that I'm gonna mention to sell on Amazon is to private label products and sell them on Amazon using FBA. That was a lot if you haven't heard of it, so let me walk you through it real quick. Basically, you go find a product that already exists. You don't have to come up with any new invention or anything like that. There's tons of products that already exist out there that you can just go buy and slap your brand on it. Take a t-shirt, for example. You can go buy plenty of cotton t-shirts. Nothing wrong with you buying that, slapping your brand on it, and selling it as your brand of t-shirt, right? But the idea is to find products that already exist and that are already selling well on Amazon, proving that there's already a lot of people willing to buy the product. That's a huge key to this. And check out my full playlist on tutorials of how to do product research, how to find these products, good products to sell on Amazon. But basically just find a good one, find a manufacturer for it, a supplier, slap your logo on it, and then this is where the FBA part comes into play. What you're gonna do is, now that you have your product and you've got a batch of inventory with your logo all on it, you're gonna send it to FBA, which is Amazon's system of warehouses. And so you're gonna send all your inventory to FBA, and then when an order happens on Amazon, when someone buys your product on Amazon.com, people in the warehouse where your product is at is going to pick, pack, and ship that product out to your customer. So it's completely hands-off. You don't have to deal with warehousing or anything like that. You can just send your inventory straight to Amazon's warehouses, and then they'll ship it out. And then also, when you do that, they'll handle customer service and returns and stuff like that for you too. So it's a really super slick business model that all hinges on product research, just being able to find good products to launch. And this is personally one of the businesses that I own and operate. I have an Amazon FBA private label business, have been selling on Amazon for I think a little over 3 years now, and promise you from experience, you can make absolutely hundreds of thousands of dollars and even much more selling private label on Amazon. Number 4 and number 5, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. Number 4, I'm going to refer to as organic affiliate marketing, and then number 5 is going to be paid affiliate marketing. What do I mean by organic affiliate marketing? First, what do I mean by affiliate marketing? Basically, if you go to any company's website that sells a product or a service or a software program, whatever, you scroll down to the bottom, they'll likely have a little affiliate section there, which means they have an affiliate program, which means that if you promote their product or service and get someone to buy it or sign up for it, then you get a commission of that sale. So I'll give you an example here straight off of my YouTube channel, and this works back into number 1 of this video of an educational YouTube channel. Since I make educational videos about how to do product research to sell successfully on Amazon, I link as an affiliate link a tool that I use and recommend that people use to do product research to find products to sell on Amazon, and it's called HELIUM 10. So if you go to my Amazon videos, you'll notice that in the description of those videos, I link this HELIUM 10 tool with my discount code, which is dope for people because it's actually it is a really good tool and it is a really good discount. I don't promote anything that I don't mess with, that I don't actually use like on a very consistent basis that's actually essential. So I promote that there, and people who sign up for it, they get a big discount, and then I get to keep 25% of whatever they pay to HELIUM 10 when they sign up, and recurring month after month after that. So that's just an example of an affiliate program. Every affiliate program is going to be different. Their structures are going to be different, but almost everybody has an affiliate program. So what you do is you go, and I made a full video of how people are doing this on TikTok, and I haven't seen anybody like reveal their numbers on it, but I'm pretty sure they're making really, really, really good money doing this. The ones, especially the ones that are consistent and getting their videos to go viral, which anyways, just go watch that video. I'll pop it up here. It's a really good video if you're interested in affiliate marketing. But basically, you just go figure out which products, companies, services, affiliate program you want to join and promote. And then I would recommend go make TikTok videos about it right now. Find cool, fun, creative, silly, whatever, entertaining ways to promote educational, to promote the product, to talk about the product or a variety of products. Like that's what the video I mentioned is, it's the people finding just a whole variety of products off of Amazon and affiliate marketing them via TikTok. So that, and the reason I say TikTok is because this is an organic affiliate marketing strategy, and TikTok has the best organic reach. You're just gonna be able to reach the most people on that platform. You can use the other platforms, of course, Instagram, YouTube, all these other platforms are great, but TikTok right now has the best organic reach, and I've seen people just killing it with reaching millions and millions and millions and millions of people affiliate marketing products, and for sure those people are buying the products that they're making these videos about. And now number 5 is paid affiliate marketing. So same thing as I just described, but instead of just relying on the organic strategy, now you can actually pay to get in front of people and talk about the product or the service. And there's several different ways that you can pay to get in front of people to talk about your products or services. There's Facebook ads, Instagram ads, which is Facebook ads. There's Google ads and YouTube ads, which YouTube ads is Google ads. Then there's LinkedIn ads, TikTok has ads. Number 6 is going to be start an ad agency. There are, first of all, you can absolutely learn it on your own, how to run Facebook ads or Instagram ads or YouTube ads, Google ads, whatever. You can learn that on your own. I did it, plenty of people have done it, are doing it. So you can then just YouTube, Google search tutorials on how to do that stuff, but learn Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, learn some advertising skills in some of these platforms, and then you can go offer those services, sell those services to people that need to advertise their products and or services. So essentially what you would be doing is you have an ad agency and you take on clients and you advertise for your clients on these platforms, or you could specialize in just one platform. I personally think this is a really, really great way to make money. You don't need money to get started. You don't have to buy anything up front. I mean, you'll need a computer and an internet connection, but other than that, like, you're good to go. So you can start with no cost and you can make a lot, because there's plenty of companies, businesses, people that need help advertising that don't want to learn how to do it and just want to pay someone that already has those expertise. And so if that's you, perfect. And you can make really good money as an ad agency, even just as a small ad agency, 1, 2, 3 people. I'm talking small. You can make good money, 6 figures, absolutely, even well over 6 figures in a year, just running advertisements for people.